Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning for the first week of June and my social media dashboard layout. This planner is called A New Day and it is from the Happy Planner. It is a classic size one and I am going to be using the Live Love Posh, the Botanical Florals, and here we go. I really love this sticker book and I've been hoarding some stickers, so I do have to be honest about that, especially these orchids right here. So I think it's finally time to break them in and use them. It is the perfect time of kind of spring and summer combining here to use my beautiful orchids. So I'm going to go ahead and add those to my planner now. And I wanted to thank you if you are already subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate that. And if you are brand new, welcome. I am so excited you found me. I am truly hoping you're gonna like it here. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so this focus box I'm just going to cover with this beautiful leafy sticker. But before I do that, I want to use some correction tape to make sure nothing is peeking through and that the true shades of green are being portrayed here. So let's go ahead and add that. I think it looks, these leaves just make me so happy. For some reason, just greenery makes me so happy. And even when I take walks in the park, I get just so happy when I see all of the leaves coming out and everything kind of blooming. It's definitely a very hopeful time. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in like so. And I'm gonna grab that Hope sticker from right in the middle of the page, and I have to be very careful because it has a lot of intricate detail, and I'm gonna put it right in the middle. And that whole section is already done, right? Look how easy that was. Okay, so now I'm going to grab the other corner sticker, which I am so grateful there's so many of them, and I'm gonna go ahead and use it right on the bottom of the page. Oh, this is so lovely. I am already loving this spread, and it's maybe like a quarter done, right? I'm gonna grab these large orchids too and put them in the middle of the page. I think that will add a lot of kind of pizzazz to this spread. They're so realistic. I really love orchids, and the funny thing about orchids is I really do prefer white orchids with white flower pots. So my lovely boyfriend now knows when he buys me orchids, they need to be in the white flower pot, and they're usually white, or he will buy like a white gray combination of the flower pot, which is just my aesthetic. But I do have quite a few orchids in my house. It's my favorite. Okay, let's add another little corner to this page. I know it's a lot of corners, but I'm really enjoying this. Okay, and as far as corners go, I think I'm done. Let's go ahead and continue planning. I'm looking at boxes because I do need to cover up those prompts. I just don't know if I can do it with boxes from this book, or I'm just gonna grab my faithful and loving colorful boxes. I feel like I'm torturing them because there's just so many stickers in there, and I keep grabbing and reaching and running out of that book very quickly. And I do use a lot of the colors. It's not like I only use 1 or 2 colors. And I think I'm going to take this very pale green and use those stickers for covering up those prompts. So let's go ahead and do that together. Here we go. Okay, so almost there. Yeah, these matches some of the leaves really perfectly, so I wouldn't use any other color than this. Now I do want to add some leaves or something around those to emphasize this, and I think that'll be it, right? So let me add this and this. Let's see. I really enjoy very cohesive spreads like this where everything matches and it's beautiful. And again, I love my greenery, so with that said, anything with flowers and plants you guys know I will love. But this in particular is just so beautiful and whimsical. I was truly kind of astonished how much I like that one. Let's see, can I add that right there? Yep, I think that looks fantastic. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But I really do enjoy this spread a lot. I think it's fun and, like I said, whimsical and different, especially with all of the green beautiful stickers in here. I'm gonna fix this sticker really quick because something doesn't sit right with it. So maybe I can angle it like this, and I think that looks much better. Okay, I'm gonna also see if I can find 2 of these really light checklists, hopefully. Like I said, this book has been tortured. Okay, third one. Do you guys see what I'm doing here? It's kind of insane, right? I have like stickers upon stickers upon sticker books of colorful boxes. Okay, so I have pulled 2 checklists in the same color as the boxes. I'm going to be adding them to the lower portions of this spread. It will add some color, but will also give me kind of a space to write and give me an idea of space division in that box. Okay, there we go. What do you guys think about this? I love it. I really love this spread a lot. I hope you guys do too. Let me know, and thank you for watching. I'll see you for another plan with me very soon. Bye!